Okay, Marilyn, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Close up?
Yep.
Alright.
Is the lighting right?
Yeah, of course it is. I'm shooting it.
Franklin, is the lighting right? It looks good? This looks good, Frankie?
We're rolling.
Hey, this is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thank you for tuning into our video. As always, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. Today, we're here on Vanderbilt Ave and DeKalb in Brooklyn. We're here doing a water main replacement. Quick backstory for this. Customer wanted to replace their lead water main. When we applied for the permit, DP kicked it back, half-inch tap, undersized, illegal tap. We now need to install a new tap. So your standard one-day water main replacement is now a two-day project. Let's see what's going on. Yo, Mike, what's going on?
Just another day, just another typical water main.
Okay.
Well, you know, mention the borderline 1-inch dot.
So big.
Be on the intersection, you know, a busy roadway. So we have the flag man over there. I extend this hole a little bit, but first, before we cut the next hole across the street, I'm gonna dig around. I'm gonna get ready for the new top. I extend this hole, and I'm gonna kind of sink it. I'm gonna plate it. Remove the debris and kind of sink it, and then work from the other side.
Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors.
Oh, Contractors. At least he said it right this time.
I know. You still didn't answer the question. What's it like being the biggest diva?
I think it's the name. I don't think I'm the biggest diva. Not when I'm standing next to this guy over here. Mike, smile.
Hi. Ladies and gentlemen, how you get? This is Mike from
Hold
Harris.
on, we didn't need the whole intro. I just said smile. That wasn't like an invite to start rambling. We'll come right back to you. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, man. Come right back.
Oh my god. So good.
So we can let cars pass
I
over
let
here.
the traffic move on this side.
All right, that's a good idea.
Technically, too, remember we at a bus stop, you know? And safety first.
Always. Get everything dug out, prepare for our tap. That way tomorrow we just come run pipe. We get our tap, run pipe, inspection, backfill, we're out of here.
Be out here.
The quicker you stop talking, the quicker I'll be done.
Don't turn that on. Keep it off for 1 second.
Keep it off. That's what's stopping me from
Keep
finish.
it on for 1 second.
If it's off,
Right.
we can finish.
You get your fiber this morning? What? Okay.
Bye.
See ya. Okay. So like we said before, this is now a 2-day project. We're gonna have to get a new tap tomorrow, get an inspection. You're in good hands. I won't be here tomorrow, but tomorrow you'll have Mike. He'll be running the show. Mike?
I got it, baby.
Respect. And to Mike.
Mike from Harris again. Yesterday we came to put in an inch and a quarter line. This morning DEP was here. We got a new tap. We ran pipe all the way to the curb. We have the curve valves on as we speak, but due to the fact that, you know, the city, or during COVID, the city give the restaurants permission to build these outdoor dining sets. You understand? We run into a little bit of difficulties. So due to the fact that I had to take out the floor on one of them, and I'm currently digging another hole. I got to pipe up to the curb. The curb valve is on, but I'm currently digging another hole. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching another edition of Harris Water Main and Sewer. Thanks, share, and follow, and thank you, and have a blessed and wonderful day.